Hi everyone, this is Optiplex 5040 MT pre-built business desktop computer released in 2015. It is featuring with 6th generation processors i3, i5, i7. I have bought one i5 computer which is supporting minimum of 4 GB RAM to maximum 16 GB RAM. So when I bought it was having 8 GB RAM. So I just wanted to upgrade to 16 GB RAM. So I got a 8 plus 8 module and I'm upgrading it. So it is a very robust machine and it's very good for any home use, even office use. And I have installed Windows 10. It's working perfect. This machine is a very compact design and you can keep it in any corner of your table. You will have more free space to work.